DesignerLogic's time billing module allows you to set default rates for each staff member, so when they fill out their time logs, it can auto-populate what they're going to charge your client. In this video, we'll show you how to set that up. Now, when you create a DesignerLogic account, it's going to automatically create some default billing rates for you. And to see those, we go up to the account menu here and click on the default settings link. And that's going to take you to the sales codes defaults first. Now on the left we have sales codes for items, which are just categories for items. On the right we have time sales codes. Now these time sales codes are going to populate every new staff member you make automatically. Now you can adjust these sales codes by just clicking the little edit link. You can add new sales codes in at the top if you have specific kinds of time you want to automatically be added to all of your staff members. So when you create a new staff member, it's automatically going to autofill them with CAD work, design, feed, drafting, installation, and shopping at these billing rates. Now you can adjust these billing rates for each staff person that you want to, and you can also always override them when you actually log in your time. Now to see those on the staff person level, we go up to the same menu and we click User Staff. And here we see a list of all the staff members in our company that can log into DesignerLogic. Now to view the rates that each staff member has, we just click this View Rates link. And here you can see for this staff member, we have all these different rates here listed out. Most of them are from that default list. And we have the billing rates over here. Now the log time cost, if you hover over this, it'll tell you that's just what you pay your staff member hourly for their time. Now you don't have to have that in there if you want to just leave it blank, but if you want to keep track of your hourly pay for the time logs, you can compare that to the charge rates to your clients. Now the time bill rate is what you charge your client, and this is going to auto-populate each time this staff person fills out, say, CAD work, and so it's going to say $150. If they do shopping down here, so it's going to say $75 when they log their time in. Now they can change that and override it at each time log if they want to. These are just default rates. And if you go to another user here, we'll choose Kelly. You can see that she has a different list of sales codes to populate her time logs. So you can customize this list at will so that Kelly can have her own rates, Armando can have their own rates. You can add new rates here at the top. Just choose a staff person and fill out what that would be. And that way you can have different rates for each staff member auto-fill, which is very helpful, especially if you hide the billing rates from the staff person as they work, which some companies do, which we'll show in another video. Now, how does this work when you log in your time? We'll go over and close that and go to the time tracking module itself right here. And the time tracking module always opens to the user that is logged in. And if you hit the filter link, you can see right now I'm looking at Kevin's time right here, but you can look at anybody else's time if you are an admin user. If not, you can only look at your own time. Now to log in time, when you hit log in time here, the log time button, you'll see you're automatically the person who's going to log the time. Now you can choose the project, and when you choose the sales code here, you can add it to a project phase which has a time budget, which we'll show in another video. But when you add the sales code here, you can see for shopping, it automatically puts in $75 here. For CAD work, it automatically adds $150 down here. So now I can overwrite that and say this is going to be $225 automatically, and check it as billable or not billable if you leave it unchecked. And that's how you can customize each particular time log you put in despite the defaults. But the defaults are very helpful in that they're a shortcut to auto-populating the bill rates for each staff person. Now if we go up here to say Armando, he's going to have different sales codes here, and he's going to have different rates. Like his shopping is $125. So that's something that's very helpful for your staff because you don't have to have people use the same time rates all the time.